In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update prices for all variants of a product in Shopify. If you sell a product with multiple variants, like sizes, colors, or materials, updating each price one by one can be tedious. Today, I'll show you the quick built-in way to set a single price across all variants at once, keeping everything consistent and saving you time. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what you'll see, and a few tips so you feel confident making the change. Start in your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Products. This is where all your items live. If you have a lot of products, the search bar at the top can help you find the one you want to edit more quickly. Click on the product you want to update. When the product page opens, scroll to the section labeled Variants. This is the list that shows each version of your product, typically with its current price, SKU, and inventory status. At the top of the variants list, you'll see a checkbox. Click that checkbox to select all variants for this product. This ensures every variant is included in the update. If you have many variants, Shopify may display them in a scrollable list. Make sure they're all selected by using that top checkbox, which applies to the full set. With your variants selected, look for the More Actions menu, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that, and then choose Edit Prices. This opens a simple pricing panel designed for bulk updates. Here, you'll enter the new price you want to apply to all selected variants. You'll see the currency indicated, and you can type the exact amount you want customers to pay before taxes or discounts. This change affects the main price. Any special pricing, like compare it values or automatic discounts, are managed separately. Once you've entered the new price, click Apply to All. Shopify will preview or immediately distribute that price across every selected variant. If everything looks correct, click Done to finish. That's it. The new price is now applied consistently across the variants you selected. You can glance back at the variants list to confirm that each one shows the updated amount. A quick recap. You went to Products, opened your product, selected all variants, used the More Actions menu to choose Edit Prices, entered the new amount, applied it to all, and clicked Done. This is a safe and efficient way to keep pricing aligned across multiple versions of the same item. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process anytime you need a fast, accurate price update.